So guys, in today's class, we'll basically be revising the topic arithmetic progressions. So what I'm going to do in today's class is, basically I'm going to go through the previous year's board questions, and with the help of that, we'll basically revise the concepts. Is this clear? So one by one, we'll start doing the questions. Right? Look at the first question. हमें दिया हुआ है, if k plus 2, comma 4k minus 6 and 3k minus 2 are three consecutive terms of an AP, then the value of k is option A 3, option B -3, option C 4, या फिर option D -4. Yes. Now beta, what is the concept over here? Can anyone tell me? How will you do this question? इसमें क्या concept है?
Common difference should be equal for both of them.
Fantastic, fantastic. कोई भी हमारे पास AP होता है, the common difference should be the same. That means if this is the first term A1, this is the second term A2, this is the third term A3. So we know that in a AP, second term minus first term का जो difference होगा, वही third term minus second term होगा. Do you all agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
है ना? तो बस 4k minus 6 minus. Now remember बेटा, जब भी आप minus करो bracket लगाना मत भूलना. K plus 2 is equal to A3 minus A2. So from here we get 4k minus 6 minus k minus 2 is equal to 3k minus 2 minus 4k plus 6. 4k minus k is 3k, minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. 3k minus 4k is minus k, minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4. Bring the minus k here. So 3k plus k, take the minus 8 there, 4 plus 8. So 4k is equal to 12. K is equal to 12 divided by 4, that is equal to 3. So the answer is 3. Is this clear? ये जो question है, ये आया था Delhi paper 2023. Is this question clear to all of you, बच्चों? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Quickly make a note, beta. Look at the next question, guys. We have question number 2. We have the common difference of the AP. We have 1 by P, comma 1 minus P by P, comma 1 minus 2P by P, dot dot dot, is option A 1, option B 1 by P, option C -1, your option D -1 by P. I want all of you to please try this question and send me the answer on chat. So there you go. Now we have to find the common difference, है ना? So we'll just do second term minus first term. हमें दिया हुआ ये AP है, right? So 1 minus P by P minus 1 by P. We'll take the LCM. LCM का same denominator है. So 1 minus P minus 1 by P. So 1 minus 1 क्या? Minus P by P. That is -1. C is the answer. हाँ जी. इस question में किसी को doubt बेटा? Right? Yeah. Next.
Yes, sir.
Look at the next question. This question जो था, this question came in 2013 paper and 2020 paper. ठीक है? Next question है आपका. Question number 3. The value of x for which 2x, x plus 10 and 3x plus 2 are three consecutive terms of an AP is option A 6, option B -6, option C 18 या option D minus 18. This came in Delhi 2020. हाँ जी, please try, send me the answer in chat. So yes, all of you got this right. Whenever you have three consecutive terms of an AP, so we know that second term minus first term is equal to the third term minus second term. Very good, Shubhi. So x plus 10 minus 2x is third term minus second term. So we have minus x plus 10 is equal to 3x plus 2 minus x minus 10. So minus x plus 10 is 2x minus 8. So we get 3x is equal to 18, x is equal to 6. This is clear. So I hope these type of questions are clear to all of you. तो कभी भी आपको दिया हुआ 3 consecutive terms of an AP है, आपको कुछ नहीं करना. This over here beta is the main concept. Very good. Look at the next type of question beta. Identify करना AP है कि नहीं, ठीक है? So this was question number 3. Question number 4 देखो. We have root 2, root 18, root 50, root 98. Is this an AP? हाँ जी. अगर आपको कोई भी सीक्वेंस दी हुई है, if you are given any sequence, how do you identify whether it is an AP or not? Tell me.
It has the same
So the
common
common
difference.
difference is same. Common difference.
Very good, very good. तो आप चेक करो कि कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा. Please check and send me the answer on chat. Yes or no? Very good. So देखो इसमें बेसिक ट्रिक क्या है? We have to simplify this. अगर हम रूट 18 की बात करें, so we'll do the prime factorization of 18 divided by 2, 9, divided by 3, 3, divided by 3, 1. So 2 into 3 into 3. Whenever we take square root, a pair of same numbers comes out. So 3 root 2. Square root of 50. Prime factorization क्या आएगा? 2 into 5 into 5. 5 comes out, 5 root 2. Square root of 98. 2 into 7 into 7. 7 root 2. So my AP is essentially, or basically the sequence. Now let's check the common difference. 3 root 2 minus root 2 is 2 root 2. 5 root 2 minus 3 root 2, again 2 root 2. 7 root 2 minus root 2, again 2 root 2. So since the common difference is same, so yes, it is an AP. Is this clear for everyone? Okay. So similarly, let's try a slightly more difficult question. ये जो question था ये आपका आया था 2022 में board exam में. Next question which we are going to do came in Delhi 2020. Question number 5. Check if a minus b the whole square, comma, a square plus b square and a plus b the whole square are in AP. This question came in Delhi 2020. Try karo beta. So let's solve this question. So this is my first term, this is my second term, this is my third term. To check whether 3 terms are in AP, what do we have to do? Check the common difference. So we'll do second term minus first term. That is a square plus b square minus a minus b the whole square. That is a square plus b square minus. What is a minus b the whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. That is a square plus b square minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. Cancel, 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 cancel. So we get the difference of the first 2 terms as 2ab. Now we'll do third term minus second term. Rishik, right answer, very good beta. So third term minus the second term. So a plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square minus b square. Cut, 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 cut. यहाँ भी क्या आया? 2ab ही आया. So because both the differences are same, so we'll say since 1 is equal to 2, this implies it is an AP. Yeah. Are all of you clear how to solve these type of questions? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. ठीक है. चलो. Now look at the next question. तो हम type wise चलेंगे question में, ठीक है? ताकि आपके सारे types cover हो जाए. Look at the next question we have is the 13th term from the end of the AP, from the end of the AP, 20, 13, 6, -1, dot, 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 till -148 is option A, 57, option B, -57, option C, 64, या फिर option D, -64. This question came last year, 2023 board exam. So how will you approach this question if you want a term from the end of the AP?
First, we find AN.
Hmm.
How many terms are there in the AP?
Okay. Yes, yes. ठीक करो. Try it out. बच्चों, whenever you have to find a term from the end of the AP, do not use formulas. एक simple technique होती है. Before I do this question, I'll show you how that technique works. Let's say मेरा जो AP है, it is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. मानो ये AP है. अभी इसका फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है? Do. Can you tell me what is the common difference of this AP?
3.
अब इसी AP को अगर मैं रिवर्स कर दूं तो फर्स्ट टर्म क्या बन जाएगा? 14. Can you tell me now what is the common difference?
minus
So do you notice कि when you reverse the AP, the common difference gets multiplied with -1 and the last term becomes the first term? Do you agree? Yes or no?
yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Whenever you have to find any term from the end of the AP, all you have to do is पहले इस AP का आप common difference निकाल लो. अभी AP का common difference क्या है? It is -7. अब आप एक काम करो, when we reverse the AP, reversing the AP, so the first term will become the last term, that is -148. और जो भी कॉमन डिफरेंस यहाँ पे आया उसको -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. -7 into -1 is 7. Now find whichever term you want. 13th term. So what is 13th term of an AP? A plus 12D. So that is -148 plus 12 into 7. That is -148 plus 84. So 148 minus 84, that is -64. This is how you do. तो इसमें आपको कोई फॉर्मूला याद करने की जरूरत नहीं. All you have to remember is whenever you're reversing an AP, the last term becomes the first term और जो normal AP का common difference है उसको आप -1 से multiply करो. Is this clear for all of you, beta? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can we move on to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So I had a doubt.
हाँ पूछो बेटा.
So like so I can't use that formula like that L minus
You can
or
L minus L minus you can use it, but मेरा सेशन हमेशा मैथ्स में होता है कि जितने कम फॉर्मूला यूज करो उतना अच्छा.
okay sir, understood.
Right. All right. Look at the next question. Question number 7. You have the common difference. The common difference of the AP whose nth term is given by an is equal to 5n minus 7 is option A -7, option B 7, option C 5, the option D -2. हाँ जी, how will you solve this question? क्या करोगे आप अगर आपको nth term दिया common difference निकालना है तो? Yes.
For this question, sorry, so can we do this like this? N, we are given the nth term. So
हाँ जी.
if we put the value of n as 1, so we'll
हाँ.
get the first term.
Then
Then
put the
if we
value of n
apply
is 2,
like the
get the second term. हाँ करो very good. Do it.
yes,
Try
sir.
करो. So देखो बच्चों, हम क्या बोलेंगे? जो there are two ways of doing this question. Method 1. You are given an is equal to 5n minus 7. First find the first term. So a1 is 5 into 1 minus 7. So a1 is 5 minus 7. a1 is -2. Now find the second term. So a2 is 5 into 2 minus 7. That is 3. Now we'll say the common difference is A2 minus A1. So 3 minus minus 2, that is 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. Yeah. Is this the method all of you used? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'll tell you a shortcut now. जब भी कोई AP होता है, the nth term of any AP is always a linear expression in n. Means it is of the form an plus b. जो भी n का coefficient है, this is always the common difference. So just by looking at this question, you could have marked the answer as 5. ठीक है, तो ये चीज लिख लो, इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, सो लेट्स से मैं आपको दे देता हूं एक क्वेश्चन. लेट्स से एक एपी है जिसका nth टर्म इज -6n + 5. इसका कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या होगा बच्चों?
-6.
-6.
You can verify. ठीक है, so please make a note of this. We'll do another question. Question number 8. Find the 9th term from the end. आपको दिया हुआ है AP is as follows: 5, 9, 13, 185. Try this question. हाँ जी बेटा. So like I told you, when we are reversing an AP, पहले आप इस AP का common difference निकाल लो. The common difference for this AP is 9 minus 5, 4. Now when we reverse the AP, so the first term becomes the last term, and the common difference, multiply this with -1, so -4. Now we want the 9th term. So 9th term of an AP क्या होता है? Any term of the AP is first term plus इससे 1 reduce करो into D, 8D. So we have 185 plus 8 times -4. That is 185 minus 32. That is 153. This over here is the answer. Yes. Did all of you understand this beta? Yes or no?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Has everyone copied this down? Can I move on to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Look at the next question. ये जो question था, this question came in Delhi 2016 board exam. All of these are previous year's board questions. ठीक है? हाँ जी. Next question देखो 9th. 14, 21, 28 and 26, 39, 52 are two APs such that the pth term of the first AP is same as qth term of second AP. Derive a relationship between P and Q. This question came in 2022. हाँ जी बेटा, try this question. देखो बेटा, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है? हमारे पास एक AP ये है, so we have one AP as 14, 21, 28, right? And we have another AP as 26, 39, 52. अब इसका जो pth term है, right? What is the pth term of this AP? A plus P minus 1 times D. So A over here is 14 plus P minus 1 times D. What is the common difference? 21 minus 14, that is 7. So this will become 14 plus 7P minus 7. That is basically 7P plus 7. Do you agree? Is the same as qth term for this AP. So qth term for this AP is A plus Q minus 1 times D. That is 26 plus Q minus 1. Common difference क्या है बच्चों? 39 minus 26. That is 13. So it is 26 plus 13q minus 13, that is 13 plus 13q. Till here any doubt for any child beta, yes or no? अब हमें दिया हुआ है कि जो इसका pth टर्म है वो उसके qth टर्म के बराबर है. That means 7p plus 7 is equal to 13q plus 13. So 7p minus 13q is equal to 13 minus 7. So 7p minus 13q is equal to 6. This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
सबको समझ आया? साना बेटा आप ऑलमोस्ट थे, कहाँ गलती की बच्चा आपने?
Sir, I did subtraction wrong.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं. I all ठीक है, no worries, good. Yes, others please copy beta. Once you're done copying, let me know. Then I'll move on to the next question. All right, look at the next question. We have which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 120 more than its 21st. This question came in Delhi 2019. Please try this question. Pramod, right answer, very good. So देखो बेटा, which term of the AP will be 120 more than its 21st term? So first step is, given any AP, first term is 3, common difference is 15 minus 3, that is 12. So let's first find the 21st term. So 21st term will be A plus 20D. Do you all agree? That is 3 plus 20 multiplied by 12. That is 3 plus 240. That is 243. Now I want a term which is 120 more than this. तो इसमें हम 120 add करेंगे. So we get this as 363. Now we have to find 363 is which term of this AP. So let it be the nth term. Okay. So let an be equal to 363. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. So 363 is 3 plus n minus 1 times 12. Take the 3 here. So 363 minus 3 is 12 times n minus 1. So 360 is 12 into n minus 1. Bring the 12 here, 30. So 30 is n minus 1. So n is 31. So the answer is 31st term. That's the answer. Anji. Did all of you understand this, bacho? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Any doubt for any child, beta? Good. All right. Can I go ahead? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Look at the next question. We have which term of the progression, which term of the progression (20, 19 1 by 4, 18 and a half, 17 3 by 4 is the first negative term? Is the first negative term. This question came in 2017. Try this beta. Look at this question. We are given an AP 20, 19 1 by 4, 18 and a half, and so on. The first term of this AP is 20, and the common difference is second term minus first term, that is minus 3 by 4. So this is a decreasing AP, eventually negative. We have to find which term is the first negative term. So we don't know which term it is, let it be the nth term. So let an be the first negative term. So that means it will be less than 0. So basically we have to solve a plus n minus 1d less than 0. Okay? Now the way to solve an inequality is very similar to how you solve an equation. So देखो a plus n minus 1 times d, that is minus 3 by 4, should be less than 0. So 20 n into minus 3 by 4 is minus 3n by 4. Minus 1 into minus 3 by 4 is plus 3 by 4 less than 0. So we can take the LCM over here. So 80 minus 3n plus 3 less than 4 is less than 0. So 83 minus 3n. Now 4 goes over there. 0 into 4 is 0. अब देखो till here everything remains the same. Now if you were to solve this equation, आप 83 को उधर लेके जाओगे कि minus 3n को उधर लेके जाओगे? What do you guys normally do? Yes?
Yes, sir.
3. So you'll say minus 3n is less than minus 83. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now, अगर ये equation होता तो आप माइनस माइनस कैंसिल कर देते ना, या बट इन इनइक्वालिटी हम ये नहीं कर सकते. ऐसा क्यों होता है? प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. सी 7 is greater than 4. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
But if I multiply both sides with a minus sign, तो less than हो जाएगा ना. Do you agree? So this is the basic difference between an equation and inequality. Equation में दोनों तरफ माइनस करो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, right? Inequality में रिवर्स होता है. So whenever the variable has a minus sign in front of it, हम क्या करते हैं? दोनों तरफ -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. Into -1 into -1. तो ये 3n हो जाएगा. Inequality flip हो जाएगी. Greater than 83. Did you all understand this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
पक्का? बस अब सॉल्व कर लो इसको. ये क्या बन जाएगा? n is greater than 83 by 3. So this is what? 27 and 2/3. So which is the next natural number after 27.66? 28. So the answer is 28. So that means the 28th term is the first negative term. Is this clear? So whenever you're solving an inequality, इस चीज का ध्यान रहे. Alternatively आप क्या कर सकते हो? If you want to avoid confusion, आप इस चीज को उधर ले जाओ. So 83 is less than 3n. So 83 by 3 less than n. So that means n is greater than 83 by 3. तो भी वही आंसर आ जाएगा. Is this clear? So it's completely up to you. ठीक है? Yes. Please make a note of this question, beta. So now I'll give you another question exactly like this. Let's see if you can do it. Which term of the AP (24, 21, 18, 15) is the first negative term? Try this question. See, so the nth term has to be less than 0, meaning a plus n minus 1 times d should be less than 0. So a 24 plus n minus 1. What is the common difference? 21 minus 24, that is -3, less than 0. So 24 n into -3 is -3n, -1 to -3 is +3, less than 0. So 27 minus 3n less than 0, -3n less than -27. We'll multiply both sides with a -1. So 3n inequality flips greater than 27. So n is greater than 9. So which is the number greater than 9? Next number, 10th term. Is this clear? This is the answer. Remember, it is n greater than 9. So which is the number greater than 9? Next natural number greater than 9? 10. So the answer is 10. Haji. Is this question clear for all of you? Yes or no, beta? Yeah? Can I go ahead?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Okay. Very good. Look at the next question. We have find the middle term. Find the middle term of the AP 213, 205, 197 up to 37. This question came in 2015. Try this. All right, see guys, you have to find the middle term of the AP. In statistics, whenever you have to find the middle term, for example, आपको median निकालना है, you first need to know the total number of terms, right? So first we'll find the total number of terms of this AP. So see, the first term of this AP is 230. The common difference is second term minus first term, that is -8. Yeah. Now the nth term is 37, right? So whatever is the nth term, that is the total number of terms in this AP. So A plus n minus 1 times D is 37. So 213 plus n minus 1 times negative 8 is 37. Take the 213 there. So negative 8 into n minus 1 is 37 minus 213. So negative 8 into n minus 1, ये कितना आ जाएगा? 213 minus 37 minus 176. So n minus 1 is minus 176 by minus 8 minus minus cut. So n minus 1 is 22. So n is equal to 23. That means total there are 23 terms in this AP. Do you all agree? Yes or no? Till here any doubt beta? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
Now if there are 23 terms, what is the middle term? Median term क्या होता है?
N plus 1 by 2, which is
Very good. Shabash. So middle term is if n is odd, n plus 1 by 2, that is 24 by 2. That is 12th term. So 12th term is the middle term. So we'll see over here, middle term is basically the 12th term, which is nothing but a plus 11d. That is 213 plus 11 into minus 8. That is 213 minus 88. So 213 minus 88. So it is 125. This over here is the answer, beta. Ajit. I think one of you is. Pramod, very close. ठीक है. Sana, आपका term number सही था, value गलत थी. Good. Did all of you understand this beta? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Fantastic. Make a.
So
All right. Look at the next question. We have in a given AP, if pth term is Q and the qth term is P, then show that the nth term is P plus Q minus L. How many of you have a problem in these type of questions?
I have
Yes.
a problem.
ठीक है, I'll show you. Good.
Sir, I also.
हाँ, देखो, see, आपको याद क्या रखना है बेटा? कोई भी AP है, right? The concept is the nth term of any AP is a plus n minus 1 into d. So basically उसमें दो variable होते हैं, a और d. So to solve two variables, how many equations do we need? For two variables, how many equations do
Two
you need?
equations.
Two equations. तो हमेशा वो क्वेश्चन में दो कंडीशंस दी होंगी. अब देखो, in an AP, if the pth term is q, first equation, qth term is p, second equation. ठीक है? अब देखो ध्यान से बेटा, we are given the pth term is q. इसका मतलब क्या है बेटा? a plus p minus 1 times d is equal to q. Do you all agree? Yes or no? है ना?
Yes.
तो इसको मैं एक्सपैंड करूं तो क्या बन जाएगा? a plus pd minus d is equal to q. Call this equation number 1. Similarly, हमें दिया हुआ है the qth term is p. This implies a plus q minus 1 times d is equal to p. This implies a plus qd minus d is equal to p. Till here, does any child have any doubt? Yes or no? यहाँ तक clear है बेटा?
Yes.
Yes,
अब
sir.
देखो, I'll write these two equations over here. So we have a plus pd minus d is equal to q and a plus qd minus d is equal to p. अब देखो बेटा, इन दोनों इक्वेशन में आई हैव टू सॉल्व फॉर a एंड b. ठीक है? सो एज यू कैन सी, देखो a का कोएफिशिएंट भी सेम है, d का भी है. दोनों इक्वेशन को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो. सो आई विल डू इक्वेशन 1 माइनस इक्वेशन 2. सो a माइनस a 0, pd minus qd minus d plus d 0 is equal to q minus p. Do you all agree? Yes or no?
Yes,
बेटा
sir.
any doubt? है ना? अब इन दो टर्म से आई कैन टेक d कॉमन. सो d टाइम्स p minus q is equal to q minus p. So from here we get d as q minus p by p minus q. अब देखो, द टर्म्स आर सेम, साइन इंटरचेंज, तो मैं यहां से माइनस साइन को कॉमन ले लूंगा, तो ये आ जाएगा P माइनस क्यू. डू यू ऑल अग्री बेटा? यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो D की वैल्यू आ गई -1. इसमें किसी को डाउट? D -1 कैसे आया? श्योर 100%?
Yes, sir.
ठीक. अब ये वैल्यू D किसी भी इक्वेशन में डाल दो. सो लेट्स से फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में D की वैल्यू डाल दी. सो सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग D is equal to -1 in either equation 1 or 2, आपकी मर्जी. लेट्स से इक्वेशन 1 में, सो A plus P times D minus D is equal to Q. So A minus P plus 1 is equal to Q. So A is equal to P plus Q minus 1. Do you all agree बेटा? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अब हमें निकालना क्या है? nth term. So nth term is A plus n minus 1 times D. Substitute the value. A की वैल्यू क्या है? P plus Q minus 1 plus n minus 1 times D की वैल्यू क्या है? -1. So this is P plus Q minus 1 minus n plus 1. So we get the nth term as P plus Q minus n, which is exactly जो हमें प्रूव करना है. Hence proved. Alright. तो जितने भी क्वेश्चन है बहुत सिंपल है. सिंपल आपको दो इक्वेशन बनाने हैं. सब्ट्रैक्ट, you'll get the value of D. सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, A आएगा इक्वेशन में. Did you all understand बेटा? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Make a note. Look at the next question. Question number 15. Similar question है बेटा. If the mth term of an AP be 1 by n and its nth term be 1 by n, then show that its nth term is 1. Try करो बच्चों. Alright. So the mth term of an AP is 1 by n. So see beta, the mth term is 1 by n, meaning A plus m minus 1 times D is 1 by n, or I can say A plus md minus D is 1 by n. Equation number 1. Then the nth term is 1 by m. So nth term is 1 by m, meaning A plus n minus 1 times D is 1 by m. So we can say A plus nd minus D is 1 by m. Till here, does any child have any doubt? Yes or no? Clear? Now we'll do
No, sir.
equation number 1 minus equation number 2. Very good, Sana. आप काम करो तो देखो, you can change the sign here. ये हो जाएगा minus, minus, plus and minus. A minus A गया. You get this as md minus nd minus d plus d 0 is 1 by n minus 1 by m. So d common, m minus n, LCM ले लो यहाँ पे, m minus n by mn. So m minus n cancel. So d is 1 by n. Till here, does any child have any doubt? Yes or no?
No, sir.
First equation में डाल दो. A plus m times d minus d is equal to 1 by n. So 1 by n goes away. A is equal to 1 by mn. Beta, till here is it clear for all of you? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
शाबाश, बस तो हो गया क्वेश्चन. Now we have to find the mn term. So a mn is a plus mn minus 1 times d. A की वैल्यू क्या है? 1 by mn plus mn minus 1 into d. That is 1 by mn. So that is 1 by mn plus mn into 1 by mn is mn by mn minus 1 by mn. So this is 1, this and this cancels off. So amn is equal to 1. ये हमें प्रूफ करना था. Hence proved. Did you all understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Look at the next question. If m times the mth term of an AP is equal to n times the nth term and m is not equal to n, show that it's m plus nth term is 0. अब देखो बच्चा, how is this question different from the questions we have done? The mth term of an AP, m times the mth term is equal to n times the nth terms. So m times the mth term is equal to n times the nth term. Now, how many equations do we have over here?
Sir, 1.
A variable, 2. So now what do we do? Right? So in these type of questions, आपको क्या करना है? Solve करके सब कुछ LHS पे लाके condition लानी है. So see, m times the mth term, that is a plus m minus 1 times d, is n times the nth term, a plus n minus 1 times d. Right? So m times a plus md minus d is equal to n times a plus nd minus d. So we get this as am plus m square d minus md is an plus n square d minus nd. Till here, any doubt for any child? Yes or no? Clear? Now bring everything to the LHS. So am minus an plus m square d minus n square d minus md plus nd is equal to 0. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right? अब देखो, यहाँ पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We can take a common plus यहाँ पे I can take d common. अब देखो यहाँ पे m minus n आ रहा है, यहाँ भी m minus n आएगा. So what should I take common? So I get m minus n. Should I take plus d or minus d? What do I take common?
minus.
Very good, minus d. So minus md by minus d is m, plus nd by minus d is minus n, is equal to 0. अब देखो, a times m minus n plus d into m square minus n square is m plus n into m minus n minus d into m minus n is equal to 0. m minus n, m minus n, m minus n कॉमन ले लो आप. तो क्या बचा? a plus d times m plus n minus d is equal to 0. Yeah. So we'll continue this over here. So we have m minus n into a plus, I can take d common from here, into m plus n minus 1 is equal to 0. Now multiplication of two terms is 0. So either this is 0, that is m is equal to n. लेकिन हमें clearly दिया m is not equal to n. So not an answer. That means the second part, a plus d m plus n minus 1 is 0. Till here, do you all agree, beta? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब हमें निकालना क्या है? m plus n term निकालना है ना. So we have a m plus n is a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. ये वैल्यू क्या दी हुई मुझे? 0 from 1. Proved, done. Hence proved. Any doubt? Yes or no? आया समझ में?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, make a note.
Yes.
Next question we have is, if the ratio of the sum of first n terms of two APs is 7n plus 1 is to 4n plus 27, then find the ratio of their ninth terms. Now this is a slightly tricky question, and I'll tell you what the trick is. देखो, the ratio sum of first n terms of 2 AP. तो पहला AP का मानो n by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1. ये sum of first n terms होगा first AP का. Do you agree? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
सिमिलरली जो सेकंड एपी उसका सम ऑफ एन टर्म्स क्या होगा? n by 2 into 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. Do you agree? भाई पहला वाला AP A1 D1, दूसरा A2 D2. Now this ratio is given to us as 7n plus 1 upon 4n plus 27. So this and this cancel out. अब मेरे पास ये पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन है. अब यहां से मुझे निकालना क्या है? आई हैव टू फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ द नाइन टर्म्स. तो हम क्या करें? सो देखो मुझे क्या चाहिए? आई वांट द रेशियो ऑफ द नाइन्थ टर्म्स. तो नाइन टर्म ऑफ द फर्स्ट एपी क्या होगा? A1 plus 8D1. डू यू अग्री?
Yes, sir.
तो सेकंड एपी का नाइन्थ टर्म क्या होगा? बताओ मुझे.
A2 plus 8D.
एक्सेलेंट. अब मेरे पास ये इक्वेशन है और मुझे ये निकालना है. तो यहां से यहां कैसे जाए? डो नॉट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा वेरिएबल्स हैं. तो इसमें देखो ट्रिक क्या है. आपको क्या करना है? यू हैव टू कंपेयर द एक्सप्रेशन. यहां पे यू हैव 2a1 प्लस n माइनस 1d1 और यहां पे आपके पास है a1 प्लस 8d1. तो a1 का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? 2. यहां पे 1. तो हम क्या करेंगे? न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें. ठीक है, तो क्या आ जाएगा? 2a1 प्लस 16d1 अपॉन 2a2 प्लस 16d2. टिल हियर एनी डाउट? अब देखो यहां भी 2a1, यहां भी 2a1, यहां भी 2a2, यहां भी 2a2, यहां भी d1, यहां भी d1, यहां भी d2, यहां भी. So do you agree these two expressions are the same? Yes or no? Do you agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that means जो यहाँ पे d1 के साथ नंबर है वही d1 के साथ यहाँ नंबर होगा. So n minus 1 is 16. So n is equal to 17. अब ये वैल्यू आप यहाँ पे डाल दीजिए. So 7 into 17 plus 1 upon 4 times 17 plus 27. हाँ जी, 7 into 17 is 119 plus 1. 4 into 17 is 68 plus 27. That is 120 upon 95. 5 से करो 24, 5 से करो 19. So the answer is 24 is to 19. Is this clear for all of you, beta? Yes or no?
Didn't
Yes, sir.
understand.
Sir, there's a doubt, sir.
पूछो बेटा.
So if you just repeat it.
श्योर, एब्सोल्युटली. देखो हमने क्या किया? सबसे पहले हमने स्टार्ट किया विद व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस. वी आर गिवन द रेशियो ऑफ सम ऑफ फर्स्ट n टर्म्स ऑफ 2ap. तो सम ऑफ n टर्म्स क्या होता है? n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d. तो पहले ap का मैंने माना फर्स्ट टर्म एज a1, कॉमन डिफरेंस एज d1. दूसरे एपी का फर्स्ट टर्म एज a2, कॉमन डिफरेंस d2. ये रेशियो मैं निकाला. तो मेरे पास आ गया 2a1 प्लस n minus 1 d1 अपॉन 2a2 प्लस n minus 1 d2 is equal to 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. यहां तक क्लियर है बेटा आपको?
Yes, sir.
अब मुझे निकालना क्या है? वी वांट टू फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ द नाइन्थ टर्म्स. तो बेसिकली मुझे ये निकालना है a1 प्लस 8d1 अपॉन a2 प्लस 8d2. तो मैंने देखा यार यहाँ पे a1 d1 a2 d2 है, यहाँ भी a1 d1 a2 d2 है. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना, यहाँ पे a1 के साथ 2 है. तो मैंने क्या किया? दोनों को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. तो अब जो मेरे पास एक्सप्रेशन आया, ये एक्सप्रेशन और ये एक्सप्रेशन मैच कर गए. सो दैट मीन्स जो a1 a2 के साथ है वही यहाँ a1 a2 के साथ है. दैट मीन्स जो यहाँ d1 d2 के साथ है वही यहाँ d1 d2 के साथ है. सो दैट इज हाउ आई गॉट n minus 1 is equal to 16. वहां से मैंने n की वैल्यू निकाल ली और ये n की वैल्यू मैंने यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट की. इज दिस क्लियर?
Yes.
एनी डाउट?
Sir, how did you get n?
देखो
Oh.
हमने बोला कि यहाँ पे d1 के साथ कौन सा नंबर है बेटा? 16.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे d1 के साथ कौन सा नंबर है? n
n
minus 1. दोनों सेम ही तो है. कंपेयरिंग द कोएफिशिएंट्स,
Yes.
है ना? मेक अ. ये क्वेश्चन कई बुक्स में बहुत लंबा लंबा सॉल्यूशन दिया है. दिस इज द इजीएस्ट वे ऑफ डूइंग दिस क्वेश्चन. सो यू कैन जस्ट मेंशन ओवर हियर कंपेयरिंग द कोएफिशिएंट्स. ठीक है, मेक अ नोट बेटा.